Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial for VTuber Plus Integration for VRChat. So this is a plugin that I've made to basically simplify the setup for your avatar, with which you can enable your viewers to interact with you in VRChat. For this you of course need VTuber Plus, which is available on Steam, and this package, VTuber Plus Integration for VRChat, which is available on Gumroad, both links down below. So once you get this, also download this, you come to Unity. Inside Unity, where your avatar is already set up, so you have to have your avatar, your VRChat SDK, and everything has to be set up. You go to the asset menu, import package, custom package, VTuber Plus Integration for VRChat, and open it. Click import and let Unity do its thing. While this is importing, I'm gonna tell you guys about the VRChat OSC, which is, well, came with the latest big update of VRChat, which basically allows external programs to send data to VRChat. And using that, we are going to make this. You have to remember to enable OSC in VRChat, which is simply by opening your radial menu and go to Options, OSC, and enable it. That's all you have to do for that in VRC. So once your package is imported, at the top in Unity, you see an item, a menu point called VTuber Plus Integration. You click on Open Setup, and it gives you this window, which is the plugin. It has a short description of what you gotta do and how to do things, but I decided to make a video tutorial anyway to make things a little simpler. So we need here 4 items, which is your avatar, the game object, the head transform of your avatar, your FX layer, and expression parameters. We get to those shortly. So for avatar, simply drag and drop your avatar into that slot. For your head transform, just expand your avatar, expand your armature, and go down your spine, neck, and grab the head and bring it in. That's all. For FX layer and expression parameters, when you click on your avatar, let me move myself a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. So here in your VRC avatar descriptor, when you scroll all the way down, there are 2 tabs. One is called Playable Layers and one's called Expressions. So in Playable Layers, you might not have all these set up. It depends on the avatar you're using, but in front of FX, if you see default FX, just simply click on the button and it will create a layer for you. That's all you have to do. There's nothing else. So you click on this layer, for me is this, and drag and drop it onto the FX layer slot. And the exact same thing with parameters. You go to Expressions, Parameters, click the item in front of parameters, and drag and drop it onto expression parameters. As simple as that. So I'm just gonna move myself back. Once you have all 4 of these slots filled, simply click Setup, and it says Setup was successful. If it gives you any error, it will also tell you how to fix it, so don't worry about it. But for a normal situation, this should work. Once it's set up, you can select one of these 3 rewards that this plugin will create for you. You can of course create more advanced effects, but it requires you to know some advanced stuff in VRC avatar creation, which not many people have. Like, it's not common knowledge, so I can't expect people to know all that. But this provides you with 3 effects, which is banana throw, bone throw, and cookie throw, which you can set up in VTuber Plus. So let's say we want to add cookie throw, right? just right click on this code and this command here and click copy. Now open up your VTuber Plus, as you can see here, and go to your reward setup, right? Let me delete the old one. So here, for name, let's type in VRChat cookie throw, right? And here, where it says VRChat OSC command, simply paste what you just copied from Unity. Reset OSC after. For this effect, I would recommend 2 seconds, but it's up to you what you want to put in here. But just keep in mind that it's in seconds. And to value, you have to put 0 so that it stops the cookie throw. Let's say we want to put it on subscribe and on follow, and just simply click add. That's it. Now you have a reward that will trigger a cookie throw in VRChat on your avatar when someone subscribes or follows your channel. Make sure to go to general settings and enable VRChat OSC. That's all. That way VTuber Plus will send the commands to VRC. That's all you need to do. And if you want to make sure that the connection between VTuber Plus and VRC is established and is working, simply click VRC OSC test and your avatar in VRChat should wave back at you. That's all. If there are any questions, feel free to ask them down below or join our Discord server and yeah, ask them there. We'll try to help you as in the best of our abilities. So yeah, and that's it for today. Happy streaming, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.